The ultimate guide. Top trucks to buy and avoid. Think you know trucks? Think again. Last year, America's roads welcomed almost 2 million new pickup trucks, with the Ford F-Series leading the pack. But here's a shocker. Many truck owners rarely use those rugged features they paid for. That's right. It turns out that owning a truck might be more about style than substance for some. So, are you in the market for a real workhorse or just chasing a dream on 4 wheels? Let's gear up and dive deep into the world of trucks. The good, the bad, and the ones that just don't live up to the hype. Hey gearheads and dreamers, welcome back to Car Computer Exchange. Today we're shifting gears into the exciting, versatile, and sometimes unexpected world of trucks. It's a love affair that America just can't seem to quit. From the rugged streets to the serene countryside, trucks have become more than just a vehicle. They're a lifestyle. Last year, a whopping 2 million trucks hit the road, with the Ford F-Series stealing the show. But here's the twist. Studies reveal a curious mismatch. Many of those heavy-duty features are just sitting pretty, rarely seeing the action they were built for. Confusing, right? Well, buckle up, because today we're not just talking size and power. We're going full throttle to uncover the top trucks you should buy and the ones you should steer clear of. Whether you're looking for a daily beast or a weekend warrior, we've got the ultimate guide to navigate you through the maze of choices. Let's roll and find out which truck will not just match your needs, but also fuel your dreams. Let's explore the fascinating world of pickup trucks, focusing on different sizes, classes, and how they stack up against each other. From the compact Ford Maverick to the robust full-size trucks like the Ford F-150, there's a lot to uncover. Compact trucks, the case of Ford Maverick. The 2024 Ford Maverick is a standout in the compact truck segment. This truck breaks traditional molds by offering hybrid power and versatility that's hard to find in other pickups. It features a 2.0L EcoBoost engine as standard, with an optional 2.5-liter 4-cylinder hybrid engine. The Maverick's interior boasts comforts like ActiveX trim seating, 8-way adjustable driver seats, and the Ford Co-Pilot 360 Assist package for enhanced safety and driving ease. It's designed for those who need the utility of a truck without the bulk, offering the fuel economy of a compact SUV and the handling of a hatchback. With a starting MSRP of $23,400, the Maverick provides an affordable option that doesn't compromise on capability or style. Midsize Trucks, Ford Ranger, Chevy Colorado, Toyota Tacoma. Moving up to midsize trucks, we have contenders like the 2024 Ford Ranger, Chevy Colorado, and Toyota Tacoma. The Ranger is undergoing a complete redesign, with an exterior style echoing the larger F-150. It offers a 2.3L inline-4 turbo engine as standard, with an optional V6 EcoBoost for those seeking more power. The Chevy Colorado, the smaller sibling of the Silverado, is introducing a new generation with the TurboMax engine, boasting impressive torque and towing capabilities, especially in its off-road ZR 2 Bison variant. The Toyota Tacoma, also redesigned, drops the V6 for a turbocharged 2.4 inline and an optional hybrid powertrain, offering significant horsepower and torque for more demanding off-road adventures. Full-size trucks for heavy duty, diverse and powerful. In the realm of full-size trucks, models like the Ford F-150, Ram 1500, and Toyota Tundra illustrate the diversity and power of this class. The F-150 offers a range of powertrains, including gas, hybrid, and all-electric options, catering to a variety of needs and preferences. Meanwhile, the Ram 1500 emphasizes comfort and luxury, but at the cost of lower fuel economy, unless you opt for diesel. The 2024 Toyota Tundra sees a shift from a V8 to a more powerful twin-turbo V6, with a hybrid option that promises better efficiency without sacrificing towing capabilities. These trucks exemplify the vast choices available in the market, catering to different needs, from daily commuting and light towing to heavy-duty work and serious off-roading. Each model brings something unique to the table, whether it's the Maverick's affordability and fuel efficiency, the mid-size truck's balance of utility and maneuverability, or the full-size variant's power and diversity. Remember, when choosing a truck, it's crucial to balance your needs and wants to find the perfect fit for your lifestyle and work requirements. Hey truck enthusiasts, quick pit stop in our trucktastic journey. If you were a pickup truck, which one would you be? The compact and versatile Ford Maverick ready to zip through city streets? Or perhaps the rugged and robust Ford Ranger, a mid-size master of both urban jungles and untamed trails? Or are you more of a full-size Ford F-150, the powerhouse that's ready for anything? Drop your truck alter ego in the comments, and let's see which type of truck reigns supreme among our viewers. When discussing the towing capacity and payload considerations of the 2024 Ram 3500, it's evident that this truck is a powerhouse in the heavy-duty segment. The Ram 3500 is equipped with two engine options: the standard 6, 4L Hemi V 8 engine, and the optional 6, 7L Cummins turbo diesel, i6 engine. The Hemi V 8 engine delivers 410 horsepower and 429 lb-ft of torque, while the Cummins turbo diesel ramps up the game with up to 370 horsepower and 850 lb-ft of torque. This makes the diesel engine capable of towing up to 37,100 pounds when properly equipped, a testament to its immense power. The towing capacity varies across the Ram 3500's trim levels. The base model Tradesman, when equipped with the diesel engine, can tow up to 37,100 pounds, a figure consistent across the higher trims like the Bighorn, Lone Star, Laramie, Longhorn, and the top-of-the-line Limited. This capacity demonstrates the Ram 3500's versatility in catering to different needs, whether for heavy-duty work or substantial towing requirements. Additionally, the type of hitch used on the Ram 3500 significantly affects its towing capability. With a conventional hitch, the truck can tow up to 23,000 pounds. Opting for a fifth-wheel hitch increases this capacity to 30,000 pounds, while a gooseneck hitch enables the truck to reach its maximum towing potential of 37,100 pounds. These options highlight the Ram 3500's adaptability to different towing needs and scenarios. In terms of cab and bed size, the Ram 3500 offers various options to suit different preferences and requirements. From the regular cab that focuses more on cargo space to the extended cab that offers a balance between cargo and passenger space, and the crew cab for maximum passenger comfort, there's a configuration for every need. The bed size also plays a crucial role, with options ranging from shorter beds for easier maneuverability to longer beds for increased cargo capacity. Lastly, the choice of powertrain is pivotal in determining the truck's towing and hauling capabilities. The decision between a diesel or gasoline engine and considerations around horsepower and torque should align with the intended use of the truck, whether it's for heavy towing or everyday use. Overall, the 2024 Ram 3500 stands as a robust contender in the heavy-duty truck market, offering a broad spectrum of options for towing and payload, catering to a wide range of needs and preferences. And that's a wrap on our truck-loaded adventure with the Ram 3500 and its towing titan buddies. Remember, whether you're hauling heavy loads or just cruising the streets, the right truck makes all the difference. Don't forget to subscribe to Car Computer Exchange for more revved-up insights and tips to fuel your automotive passion. Keep those engines roaring and those subscriptions rolling in. Until next time, stay tuned and stay truck savvy.